Well, now we are based on daily chart. We want to analyze the chart for the next week. Okay, based on daily chart, as we can see, even in my last video explained, we are more interested in the down move because we want to see whether we can put this correction in relative to this for the next move down. That means we will have this correction in relative to this two, and this fully correction will be in relative to this. That means we are more interested in down move. Even if we refer back to the indicators, we will see we have a divergence. Alright, how about the next one? Next one doesn't show, I mean we have it if we zoom in, but we don't care about this one, we care about the first one. Alright, this means we are more interested in the down move if we get the sell setup. In this case, we move to forward chart. We see how we can trade based on the lower time frame. Alright, but based on the forward chart, if we refer back to this, we have a divergence relative to this two. But based on this one, we don't have it. The another one, the another indicator, we don't have it. Okay, that's why now we need two options. We have two options here. The first option is whether this is the only move. That means this move is finished, and from here we can look for the down move. That means this one can continue, or we have this one in relative to this, and this correction in relative to what we have here. That means we get one move up before the price drop. Okay, that means now we have two options: whether the price from here can continue to drop to take this low, or the price can reverse, then from there we can get. Okay, that means we need to see what we will get here next week, whether we get the down move, the continuation, or we get the up move. Now we want to see how we can trade it. Okay, in this case we move to 1 hour chart. Alright, based on 1 hour chart, first we talk about the sell. Alright, if the price start to drop from here, we are not going to sell when the market open. The only way we can sell if the price from here can continue, if we get any small correction or anything, if we get any sharp move, a small flag, based on what we have right now. If you want to look for sell, this is the first option. That means we get whether we get a small correction, sharp move, or a sharp move, but we need to get what we want, sharp move, flag, before we sell. Alright, the another one is let the price reverse, at least reverse, give a correction somewhere around this top, whether break the top or near to the top is okay. Then from there we can look for sell, similar to what we have here. The price reverse, then drop. Okay, and the last thing is if we get the more complex, deeper correction is better for us. This is how we're going to look for sell. Alright, and if we want to look for buy, do we need to buy within this range? It depends on the traders. Based on lower time frame, if they get the buy, they can trade it. But as long as the price come to this high, they need to start to manage it, because the possibility the price come to this level reverses there, because maybe we don't know what we'll get here. Maybe we get the small correction or more complex, whatever. Alright, but what I can say, if you want to look for buy, the best is, if I draw this line here, the best is we wait for the any sharp move, flag, and the flag should be above this line. Then from there we look for buy. That means if we need to get the price sharply move, whether how sharp it depends, but whatever the correction of flag we get is above this. That means we get the sharp move or move up, we get a correction above this, we get the buy, then from there we can look for buy. And if we get the buy, as long as the price come to this level, we need to start to manage it. Okay, similar to what we have here, we have a sharp move, but we didn't get the buy setup. Okay, if we move, that's why we need to wait for the correction. If we move to lower time frame, as we can see, the price move up, drop, reverse, but there was no buy setup. Even you want to have entry above this, there was no. We need to wait the price drop, we get the buy setup, but there was a continuation. That means there was no buy setup here. Okay, that's why I mentioned that if we want to look for buy, let the price move, break this high, give a correction, then we get the buy within the correction. We need to get the buy set up. If not, we shouldn't buy. May what happened here repeat, because we have both option. All right, because right now we need to see, wait, we get the correction here when the market open, then we see whether we get the buy or sell, because both option we have it based on forward chart, as I explained. That's why any trade we should have a setup. All right, anyway, we don't have any trade set up right now, and we need to wait the market open and see what we get here. And again, if the market is slow to drop, similar to what drawing here, I don't think we can look for sell. Anyway, we just follow the chart, and if market open, if I see any trade setup then or update, then I will share on YouTube. Thanks.